What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the guide for OBS Studios. And remember the video I showed you on how to download OBS Studios? It's easy, free, and now I'm using it again to record. Okay, if you want to add like a face cam, just press right click, press the add button, and press on what you like to add, like this video capture device. That's for my webcam. That's looking for my face. Then how did I remove the background? I'm using a green screen. So right click, press the filters, and I have the chroma key. If you don't have the chroma key, just press the plus button, press the chroma key. Where is the chroma key? There it is. Press it. Then it will show you the results. You can choose a custom color, magenta or blue, and the smoothness, similarity, and the brightness of your face. As you can see, when I move it, the green screen will be gone. There, I can move my face cam around. I can resize it. Put it back there. Display capture. That's for the screen of the laptop. If I remove it, yes, it will delete the whole. So you cannot see on what I'm doing right now because only my face cam can be seen. So I'm gonna add it again. Display capture. There we go. It's back now. Okay, where did my face cam go? It's gone. There. Oh wait. Yeah, I just noticed also when you put like this first, it will like cover it. But if you put it down, it will like this will take first of it. The webcam. Here naman, here in the audio mixer, this is where the sounds come from. This is the mic that you can hear me. This is the sounds from the laptop. And if you press unhide all, it will also show the video capture device, which I don't really use. Yeah, it really doesn't do anything. So I'm just gonna press right this like looking setting button, press hide, then it will disappear. So you have no problem on it. Here it controls, you can stream, live stream, record, start the virtual camera, studio mode, and you can also press the exit button. You can also pause your recording, press this only, it will pause your recording. Now the scenes, like if you want to add an image, you can press right click, add, and press this image. Press OK. Then you go to press the browse button. It will go to your files like pictures. Then I'll go to downloads. If I like press this or press like Among Us, it will show the picture. But press OK. Then you have this picture. You can put it as the. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's still gone. Why is it gone? Put it on top. Put it on top. There we go. And my face cam is gone. Oh, there it is. There's a picture. You can resize it also, just like my webcam. And you also can do some filters. I'm just gonna remove it. Remove. Press the yes button. And there. When I press add, you can do a browser. Even though if I like minimize it, I could go to any app I want. Among Us or Clash Royale or some Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on what you're using, anywhere. Yeah. It will show everything that you record on your computer. This is like awesome. When I noticed this OBS Studio, yes, I can even move my webcam, resize it. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's a tutorial, the guide. I showed you all the options. There's more that I still haven't tried. You can add a text, a scene, a media source. There's so many options. There, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to click that subscribe button, ring the bell, and like the video. Watch more on my channel. press the profile down below to see more videos and more gameplays, tutorials, and many fun stuff that I can upload. Bye. Okay, I'll stop recording. Just press this. Okay, bye.